Who make this, Cos? Who make this stuff? Oh, gosh. You know, this kind of neighbor, we make this stuff. This is the kind of neighbor I like to be friends with. You know why? Because, oh, gosh, the thing broke them. Go try them again, Cos. Salute, salute. Oh, wow. Man. You ready, guys? The thing's the bomb. It's kind of like, you know, when you wouldn't throw them inside your mouth, the thing gonna explode already, but oh, gosh, go try again, eh? Taro banana. I don't even know how to do it, but me, I'm all about the end product. I don't care how freaking the thing get from point A to point B. I don't care. All I care about, you got the end product, the thing broke them up. Who fix this stuff? Who fix this stuff? Neighbor.